Philmac's curb stop valves are the fast and easy solution for meter connections. They're supplied in a bag with the meter nut washer. After removing the valve from the bag and before use, ensure that the washer is placed in the meter nut. For the CTS connection, no stiffener is needed, and the valve comes ready to use with one thread showing. Simply insert the pipe to the internal stop and then tighten the nut by hand, finishing off with pliers. For the meter connection, ensure the washer is in place and then bring the nut up to the meter thread and tighten by hand, and finishing off with pliers. The valve position can be altered even when the meter nut is tight. Final step is to turn the valve to the open position.